Welcome to Edulegit Step-by-Step Guide. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage departments within your organization using the Edulegit application. Access the Departments section. Initiate the creation of a new department. Enter the title of the department. Select the head of the department from the drop-down list. Choose a parent department if applicable. Provide a description for the department. Save the department information. In the Departments section, click on the department you want to edit. Update department details. Update the department title, head, parent department, or description as needed. Save the changes made. To assign new users, go to the specific department. In the Members section, use the drop-down to select users to assign to the department. Generate invite links for new members to join the department by copying the link provided in the Department's Details section. To create sub-departments, go within an existing department, click the Create Department button. Follow the steps for creating a new department, ensuring you select the appropriate parent department. Save the department information. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Edulegit.